So guys, so today I'm going into a thrift store for the first time. I never ever go into these things to buy anything for myself or for my kids to wear or anything, because a thrift store is used clothes or clothes what was worn by somebody else, and then they donate it and sell it back at a cheaper rate, right? But as a Jamaican, we don't do all block, we don't do crosses, we don't do wear all left. We don't... So, guys, come with me this time for the first time into this thrift store. I'm going to Valley Village today. Let's go. Okay, guys, so yeah, I'm blessing today. Let's see what we are going to find, if we're going to find anything. Blessing. Guys, this is my first aisle. In here it's pretty much like posters or stuff like that. This one is saying dream big, a little one. This looks so cute. $7.99, guys. This is really nice. I like it because it's in pink. So most of in this section, most of these are just like decorations and stuff for your house. Okay. Alright. See one man there, I'll smoke up him Charlie. Okay, so if you grew up in Jamaica, you must have at least one figurine story, because said these are things you cannot break in the house. Block anything, but do not make the mistake and block a figurine. Oh, this is nice for Christmas, guys. $8. See that? $8 that. You like that one? You like Santa Blessing? Yeah, Blessing? Look. Blessing, you like this one? Like something for the Christmas tree, like an angel. So these are some Christmas stuff. Okay, so in this aisle now, they have a lot of vases. So nice vases for like, oh, this is nice. I like this for like $8.99. That's nice. Clock. Long time I don't see them a clock here. How much for this? $14. Okay, let's pause. I would not buy that clock for $14. No way. That's just too much money. This clock is nice, and it was $8.99. I think this price could be lower, maybe $5.99 or $4.99. Guys, me not lie, I like Mrs. Claus. Let me see how much for Mrs. Claus. $7. Which is nice. Who this? Oh, more Santa, but it look like a dreadlock Santa. Then people buy cup from the EU store. No, sir. Guys, them have a lot of microwave, coffee makers, and 1 ton of coke in here. Me definitely not buying no cup here. Kind of like the Christmas decoration though. In the next aisle, guys, and them have a lot of plates. Dishes in this section. Okay, guys. I see, like these are like cake holders. I actually like this. This is actually nice. It spins. I think you could put like for your kitchen. You could put seasoning and stuff like that on this. This is nice for $6. You like it, Blessing? Blessing, you like it? Yeah? No? Yeah. Yeah, Blessing. And full of patina. Yeah. I wonder how this service set up if I just make one egg. And actually this is not, this wouldn't be a bad buy. $20, $21. It's like a TV stand and it's very long and nice. I actually like that. Coach, let me see how much for the coach. $25. Okay. 14. I mean, I want them to sit because they just bring bug in your house. Okay, this is a section here, guys. They have a lot of like sheet and pillows. And now I'm heading into the toy section for kids. Blessing. Do you see anything you want? You're just there blowing bubbles, bubbles, bubbles. Oh, this I like. Oh, this is $7. Maybe I will get this one. These shoes are for $13. But all in the small size. Okay, Blessing is starting to cry. She's getting tired, I think. Oh, she's even sneezing. Blessing, are you okay? Are you okay? Yes, yes. And me, I'm getting a headache, so I think we're going to leave this story now. Okay, guys, so we just came back from the thrift store. We didn't find anything great, anything exciting. All right, I was looking at a cake holder, and the toy that I saw there for $7 for Blessing, that was the only thing that I got. So I end up spending $18. Okay, so what are my thoughts on the thrift store? After today's experience, the thrift store is actually a good place to shop, especially if you're a new immigrant in a country. They have a lot of different variety of stuff in there, and especially in Canada, where we go through 4 different seasons, and you have to be changing over your closet so often, right? So it's that if you have kids, right? Because we adults, we can wear our winter jacket 3 4 years or whatever, but the kids, they're growing, they don't stay in these clothes, right? So it's good to shop there, and like for kids clothes especially. I'm telling you, they have a lot of kids clothes there, lots of winter clothes for $5 $6, and I think those prices are actually really good. Excuse me. On the other hand, I did see some stuff in there for like $20 $30 something dollars, which I would like. No, I don't like that drift price at all. But you gotta shop smart, right? Shop wise. You're not gonna go in there and pick those stuff, right? You know what you need. You know your necessities, right? So, and that's what you're just gonna go for, what you and your family need, and that's it. But for most of the stuff that I saw, the prices were really good and really reasonable. So I would recommend the thrift store. Valley Village is a good place to shop. I'm gonna be honest with you, as a Jamaican, there are things in the Valley Village store that I would just not buy, like teacup and them something, the spoon and them something. I don't know, I just find it too personal. Me just find it too personal, but I would buy like the clothes, them, and the decoration and stuff like that. The toys too, especially the kids' toys. 'Cause these kids, they always want new toys and stuff, and I think books and toys in there are like really good, really good. That I would actually. So that was my first time going into the thrift store. It wasn't like a super bad experience or anything. Please, guys, I want you to comment in the comment section if you shop at the thrift store, and let me know how your experience was, and like what are your thoughts on the thrift store prices as well. Okay, and if you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more. Bye.